Good morning, dear friends. Welcome to our channel English Ways. Today we are going to discuss the importance of a noun in the sentence. In the previous class, I told you the introduction of the parts of speech, how that will be in the sentence, the definition of the parts of speech. Like that, we had the discussion about Good morning, dear friends. Welcome to our channel English Ways. Today we are going to discuss the importance of a noun in the sentence. In the previous class, I told you the introduction of the parts of speech. Right now, let us go back to the a noun, how that will be in the parts of speech and in the sentence formation. Before we discuss, please subscribe our channel in order to update your knowledge and skills. Okay. Now let us proceed. Noun, as you know, the name of a person, place and thing. You see, whatever you have any name in the world, the name of your person, place and a thing, all these we take them as a noun. Generally, if you want to frame a sentence, whether you follow a noun or pronoun in the sentence. For example, I tell you very simple example. Raju is in the classroom. Raju is in the classroom. Raju is a noun. Kamala is in the classroom. Kamala is a noun. Swapna is in the classroom. Swapna is a noun. I have a box. Box is a noun. You have a mobile. Mobile is a noun. You live in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a noun. You live in Delhi. Delhi is a noun. What I told you, a few of examples by following a noun, they indicate names, places and things. When you see the definition, almost it becomes very easy to understand. More than the definition, you have to know that. Because nowadays you see, if you want to analyze any concept in the newspaper at any competitive level, more than the definition, you have to know that. Okay, now you see the noun will be divided into two ways. First one is a countable noun, second one is a uncountable noun. What do you mean by the countable noun? Which is possible to count. That noun is called a countable noun. Countable. And again, the countable noun will be divided into three ways. First one is a common noun. Second one, proper noun. Third one is a collective noun. As you see under countable noun. Which is a common noun? Very common in the universe. That noun is called a common noun. For example, I tell you, tree is a common noun. Man is a common noun. Girl is a common noun. Boy is a common noun. Any city is a common noun. Any village is a common noun. Mandal, district. You don't call any name. That noun is called is a common noun. For example, you take village. For example, just assume yourself where you live in your location. Village, mandal, district, man, girl, animal, house, car. All these we use them as a common noun. Car is a common noun. Any vehicle, that will be as a common noun. Any tree, that will be as a common noun. Any man, that will be as a common noun. And second one is a proper noun. When you indicate the name of a person, the name of a place, the name of a thing, that will be as a proper noun. As I gave you the example, village is a common noun. If you indicate the name Rettipalli or any your village, the name of your village, that will be as a proper noun. Here mandal, you take the name of your mandal as you have the experience, your mandal. Here I mentioned Gospadu, that will be as a the name of a mandal. Here district, the name of your district is Karnool. It will be as a proper noun. Man is a common noun. Here Raju is a proper noun. Girl is a common noun. Here Kamala is a proper noun because you indicate the name of a person. Animal, dog, elephant, tiger, lion. If you take any animal, the name of an animal, you take them as a proper noun. Next, house. Proper noun, Chanu house. The name of a house. Car, Fortuner. And we have the collective noun. I mean where a few people live together, sit together, work together. You see, family. Now you take the live example. In the family, you may have a few families. As you see, for example, father, mother, aunt, uncle, like that. Okay. Staff, that is the teaching staff or any employees or in the organization. Group, I mean a group of people. Audience, where a group of people sit together. Crowd, company, organization, institution. Like that, you take any example where people gather together. That location is called collective noun. Collective means a group of, bunch, B-U-N-C-H, bunch. All these we take them as a collective noun. Now let us see the second one. As you see, uncountable noun. Uncountable means which is not possible to count. Which is not possible to count. You see, it will be divided into two ways. As you see, material noun and abstract noun. Material noun, as you see, as you have experience at home or outside, iron, copper, silver, gold, diamond, platinum, or any some other material noun, you take them as material noun. You see, all these nouns come under material noun. Next to abstract noun, I mean which is not possible to see. You see, honesty, sincerity, wisdom, knowledge, liberty, all these come under abstract noun. Okay, I mean to say that here each noun has its own specialization in the sentence. As I told you the definition, it indicates the name of a person, place and thing. But for example, you see, all these nouns we can use in the sentence. All these nouns we can use in the sentence. But for example, she lives in a village. She lives in a village. Village is a common noun. She lives in Rettipalli. Rettipalli is a name of a village. You see, my family is located in this village, or my family is located in this village. Here family also is a noun. Iron is a useful metal. Iron is a useful metal. Honesty. Honesty is the best policy, as you have a proverb. Honesty, you see, honesty is the best quality of any person, of human beings. As you see, I mean to say that here every noun which we have, that will be as a common noun, proper noun, collective noun, and material noun and abstract noun. All these nouns we can use in the sentence. If you know which is a common noun, which is a proper noun, which is a collective noun, it becomes very easy to define the importance of the noun in the sentence. The importance of the noun in the sentence. As you see, one more example, you see here man. Here you mention the name of a person Raju. Here district. Here you mention the name of a district. Okay, I mean to say that all these examples, all these formats you can apply especially while writing any sentence, while defining any sentence. So for example, I live in the house. I live in the house. You take the name of your house. I live in Chanu house. It will be the name of a house. Next to company. I mean company means where people work together. Work together. He works in the company. He works in the company. Company is also is a collective noun. Gold, silver, copper, any material noun that indicates. I mean, what do you understand here? Where you follow the definition, similarly you follow the types of nouns which we have as countable and uncountable noun. Then it becomes very easy to analyze any sentence while preparing for any competitive level or at any sentence level or reading of the newspaper or any article like that. Because it is the best foundation to promote, to enhance the knowledge, especially how to deal a grammar in English language. If you know these kind of basics, next to coming classes where we see especially at competitive level, at the sentence formation level, it becomes very easy to understand at any level. Okay dear friends, let us see in the next video.